Hello, for this video we're multiplying complex numbers. My first problem is 2 plus 4i times 9 minus 3i. We're going to do this just like we did polynomials or binomials, and we're going to use the box method. So I'm going to set up my box. I know it's going to be a 2 by 2 because this part has two things and this part has two things. So I set up my box. I'm going to put the first thing across the top, so we have 2 plus 4i. And then along the side we have 9 minus 3i. Just like we did before. So now we're going to multiply. 9 times 2 gives me 18. 9 times 4 gives me 36. And then don't forget your I. Negative 3i times 2 would be a negative 6i. And negative 3i times 4i. Negative 3 times 4 gives me negative 12, and then I times I gives me I squared. As always, we're going to combine our like terms. So I see I have two things in the middle that have i's. So we have 18 plus 30i minus 12i squared. From here, we just need to simplify. So remember, if you have an I squared, it's the same thing as negative 1. So really, I have 18 plus 30i minus 12 times negative 1. If I do negative 12 times negative 1, it gives me a positive 12. So I have 18 plus 30i plus 12. If I do 18 plus 12, we're just combining our like terms. All right, so then I just need to combine my like terms. I have 18, I have 12. So 18 plus 12 gives me 30. We're left with plus 30i. So my final answer would be 30 plus 30i. For my next example, we have 2 minus 4i times negative 3 minus 2i. We're doing the same thing, setting up our box method. Again, it's going to be a 2 by 2. Along the top, I'm going to put 2 minus 4i. Because that's my first factor. My second one is negative 3 minus 2i. So we'll put that along the left-hand side. Again, we're going to multiply. So I'm going to do negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. And then don't forget your I. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And then don't forget the I. And my last one, negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. And I times I is I squared. Again, we're going to combine our like terms. So I see we have 12 minus 4i. Don't forget you still have negative 6. 12 minus 4i gives me positive 8i. And then we have plus 8i squared. Remember, I squared equals negative 1. So really I have negative 6 plus 8i plus 8 times negative 1. So I have negative 6 plus 8i minus 8. My last step is again to combine my like terms, so I can put negative 6 and negative 8 together. That gives me negative 14 plus 8i, and that should be your final answer. All right, thank you for watching.